as usual, just behind the camera from the heart of Calgary. Today we are at Northwest, from the powerhouse of Canada, Alberta. So today we are in the tuna shawarma. So today we decided we will try a Mediterranean Iftar takeout boxes, or maybe we can dine in. We'll see. We'll take a look inside. So today we are at the tuna shawarma. This is close to the Evanston, northwest of Calgary, and we'll see what they are offering today for the Iftar deals. Okay, so let's go inside. Okay guys, so we are inside and sitting on our table, so we already ordered our food, so probably I'll say 10 minutes to go for breakfast. So we ordered rice shawarma, that later includes all of the shawarma and rice and some more salad as well. And then we ordered, they call like added kebabs. They come in the bite size with fries and some other things as well. So we already ordered them. We are waiting here. So we got our drinks already on our table. So once our food is ready, we'll show you what's in it, and we'll do our breakfast with the Mediterranean food today. So stay tuned. This is Enjoy Star Food. So guys, so half of the food is on our table. So here you go. This is wild shawarma. What they give us, a couple of pita bread, okay, and then they give us hummus. This is fattoush salad. Then they have potato, and then they give us all type of shawarma. This is chicken. Then we have donair, and then they put some of beef shawarma pieces, and underneath there's a multicolor basmati rice, and I think that this is the garlic sauce, right? So we are pretty much on our breakfast, so the other dish is on our way. So this is already 7:46, and this is time now to break the fast. So we're gonna break with, as usual, with the nutritions, and this is the date. So I'm gonna start with the date. So Bismillah. We'll take some orange juice, and yeah, you can break as well. She is pastry. Very nice. It feels like fresh juice actually. So it's a complimentary juice. It's come with the shawarma. So anyways, here, let's dig in here what they give us. So a pretty good size of different kind of meats here. I'm gonna try without anything. I just wanna check the basic taste. So this is a doria. Salty, not much in spices. Let me try the chicken shawarma. Same kind of taste, but donia was more salty. It's got some other kind of spices as well. I'm gonna check the basic taste of the beef as well. So beef is without any marination. Donia, they have salt and some other spices, and then the second space, this is a chicken got a little bit more spices as well. So I'm gonna take one bite of all with shawarma. I'm gonna put some hummus. This is hummus on it, right? And then and then I'm gonna put some salad on it. They give us some cracker as well. It's come with the fruit salad. So I'm gonna make a super bite, right? And we're gonna try this. Good. It's very good. Very nice.
Our another dish is ready.
Yep. So I'm gonna try the potato. Let's see how it is. Very mild. So I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna pick up my other dish. I'll meet you in a bit. Okay guys, so we have another dish on our table. So this is called Arabi kebab, like Arab. So Arabi kebab. So it's come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like actually a small piece as well. So 8 pieces, and come with the fries, and plus you can choose a pop, right? So it's looking delicious and very tempting. Look at that. They put the kebab, some salad as well, right? And it seemed like 2 kebabs, right? On this side. So I'm gonna try this one. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay. It's a little bit different. Yeah, welcome. They have some kind of sweet and tangy sauce in it, and kebabs are kind of kebabs are kind of same as the kebab, very mild. They have some salad and also some kind of green in it, maybe cilantro or so. It's good, not bad. I'm gonna take one more bite. For sure, it's a different taste, a different kind of sauce in it, but very good. Their fries are a little bit thicker than the usual fries, and they give us some garlic sauce, so I'm gonna take with the garlic sauce. Awesome. If you guys take this with the garlic sauce, oh man, it's enhanced the flavor, guys. Very good. Before we're gonna put a final review, I'm gonna take pita. I'm gonna make a super bite. I'm gonna take some all kind of meat. I'm gonna put some beef. I'm gonna put some chicken. I'm gonna take some hummus, putting on it. Take some salad, right? And this is a kind of cracker I'm gonna put as well. So this is called super bite. I'm gonna take a super bite, guys. There you go. Number one. The super wine was delicious. It just brushed all the taste in my mouth. Oh man. Hope you guys enjoy our this Ramadan vlog.
Taste with the rice as
Taste
well.
with the rice, okay. So I'm gonna taste with this with the rice. So I'm gonna taste some shawarma. Okay, 4 type of shawarma, some hummus, right? Some greens, some crackers. Okay. So there you go. So the super wine with the rice. But I think so I more like the bite with the pita. So pita give you the more flavor actually. It's very good. Hope you like our Mediterranean Iftar today. And thank you very much for watching Enjoy Star Food. Please keep us watching, subscribe us, and throw the comments. It will help us to reach other people as well because of the algorithm of the YouTube. So thank you very much. We will meet you in another vlog. So Dia,
Thanks for watching.